field station is definitely the prettiest part of UWM's campus.
The bog is really beautiful, which is not a sentence I think that people are often expecting.
The field station is a biological, natural history, research, and teaching facility. And without a place like the field station for people to do their research and bring classes, UWM would be really disadvantaged as an urban university. Those kinds of majors and research efforts would have a real problem with just an urban campus. So this is just a wonderful extension of the campus.
It's hard to understand the allure of working in a bog maybe if you've never worked in one, because it's kind of wet and a little muddy, but it's actually a lot of fun.
One of my favorite things to do when I'm working up here is take a walk and just enjoy the morning in the field station.
It's not only the quality of the facilities and the quality of the natural areas, but it's also the proximity to Milwaukee. It's only about a 35-minute drive from our campus. So we can take students for field courses out to the field station, but we can also bring both undergraduate and graduate research students in our laboratories out to the field station to conduct field research.
We're so lucky to get to work in this beautiful outdoor area instead of having to sit in front of a computer all the time. So it really is a nice place to work.
My research basically involves looking at the impacts of habitat fragmentation on the health of plant populations.
We're interested in understanding how these changes in bumblebee abundance and species extinctions will influence native plants.
It's real important to study phenology because the climate is changing, and those changes in the climate are going to affect plants and animals. So by recording phenology and recording it over long periods of time, we can track changes in how animals and plants are being affected by the changing climate.
Research at the field station has a big impact just on our understanding of the natural world. In a typical year, we have about 10,000 hours of student use at the field station, and somewhere between 30 and 50 research projects.
I think it's important for others to see that UWM respects a place like the field station and that we hold an environment like this very highly in prize.
It just says a lot for the university that we are maintaining this land in its natural condition. We're bringing people out to learn about it, and we're also carrying out research projects so that we can understand how it works.
Every time I see people come out here and the light that goes off when they make some new discovery about our natural world, I think that's a real exciting thing. I'm really proud of the job that UWM has done at caring for these natural areas.